Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to add row numbers in a column in Excel. There are 5 different methods depending on whether you want static numbers or automatic updating, and they work the same across Windows, Mac, and Excel for the web. The first method is the quickest for small lists. Click the first cell where you want your row numbers, say A2. Type 1 and press Enter. In the cell below, A3, type 2 and press Enter. Now select both cells by clicking and dragging. You'll see a small square at the bottom right corner of your selection. That's the fill handle. Hover over it until your cursor changes to a plus icon. If you have data next to this column, you can double-click the fill handle and Excel will autofill down to match your data. Otherwise, just drag it down as far as you need. The numbers will fill in sequentially. The next method is more dynamic and only works if you have Microsoft 365 or Excel 2021 or newer. Click the first cell where you want numbering, A2 if A1 is your header. Type this formula, equals sequence, open parenthesis, counta, open parenthesis, B:B, close parenthesis, -1, close parenthesis. Replace B:B with whatever column your data is in. The -1 accounts for the header row. Press Enter. The formula will spill down automatically and create row numbers that update when you add or remove rows. If sequence doesn't work for you, use the raw function instead. This works in every version of Excel. Click the first cell where you want numbering. Type equals OROW open parenthesis A1 close parenthesis. That references the row above to start your numbering at 1. Press Enter. Now select the cell with the formula and find the fill handle at the bottom right corner. Double-click it if you have adjacent data, or drag it down to copy the formula to all your rows. Each cell will show an incrementing number. The fill series command is another option, especially great for very long lists because you don't have to drag. Click the first cell where you want numbering. Type 1 and press Enter. Go to the Home tab at the top. On the right side of the ribbon, click the Fill button in the Editing section. Select Series from the drop-down. In the Series dialog box, select Columns under Series In, then select Linear under Type. Enter 1 for step value, and enter the last row number you want for stop value. Click OK. Excel will auto-number from your starting cell down to the stop value you specified. The last method combines an Excel table with the row formula, so numbers insert automatically as you add new rows. First, select your entire data range including headers. Go to the Insert tab and click the Table button, or press Ctrl-T on Windows or Command+T on Mac. In the Create Table dialog, confirm your range is correct and check My Table has headers if you have them. Click OK. Now click the first cell in your numbering column, A2 for example. Type this formula, equals OROW minus OROW of Table 1 headers. Replace Table 1 with your actual table name, or just use equals OROW minus 1 if your table starts in row 2. Press Enter. The formula fills down automatically in the whole column. When you add or delete rows in the table, the numbering updates on its own. If your fill handle isn't showing up, go to the File tab, then Options. Under the Advanced category, look for Editing options and make sure Enable Fill Handle and Cell Drag and Drop is checked. That's how to add row numbers in Excel. Pick the method that fits your workflow.